5 interesting animal facts you probably didn't know. Number 5.
Chameleons can move their eyes in different directions independently, allowing them to track their surroundings for both prey and predators at the same time.
Number 4.
Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs. While the venom is not fatal to humans, it can cause severe pain and swelling.
Number 3.
Cuttlefish have the ability to change the color and texture of their skin in less than a second, allowing them to blend in or communicate with other cuttlefish.
Number 2.
Woodpeckers can peck with thousands of times a day and not get concussed. Their skulls have a unique shock-absorbing system that prevents brain injury during rapid pecking.
Number 1.
Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, with the ability to reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour in just a couple of seconds.